Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive south on US-61, co-signed with US-10 East as we leave the city of St. Paul and re-enter Washington County in the city of Newport. Newport had an estimated population of 3,588 as of 2019. Here, US-61 is controlled access, as it has been for most of the way since we got off of I-94. So the towns we pass through during this video will be mostly hidden from view. This is the second time we've been in Washington County in this series. The county lies just to the east of Ramsey County, but extends further north and south of the borders of Ramsey County. We passed through St. Paul Park, a city of 5,544 as of the 2020 census. The town is home to the St. Paul Park Refinery, owned by Marathon Petroleum, which produces 106,500 barrels of oil per day. We enter the city of Cottage Grove, which has a population of 38,839 as of the 2020 census. Platted in 1871, Cottage Grove had its beginnings as a rural farming town. It was known for its creameries and wheat production. The area was served by grist mills, river shipping, and rail lines. The 3M Company has operated a production facility here since 1947, manufacturing adhesive products, industrial polymers, and reflective road sign materials, and for research and development. Here the concurrency with US-10 ends as it heads off to the east in the state of Wisconsin. We enter the city limits of Hastings, located at the confluence of the Mississippi, St. Croix, and Vermilion rivers. Just ahead we'll make our first crossing of the Mississippi River on the Hastings High Bridge, completed in 2013. The previous bridge, also called the Hastings High Bridge, was located immediately to the left of the current path of US-61. The old bridge was constructed in 1951 and was nearing the end of its life, so a new bridge was planned. Following the catastrophic collapse of the I-35W Mississippi River Bridge in 2007, MnDOT accelerated the new bridge project to begin in 2010. Upon completion of the current bridge, the old bridge was demolished. At the Mississippi River, we cross into Dakota County. Hastings had a population of 22,154 as of the 2020 census. Hastings is the county seat of Dakota County, even though part of the city lies within Washington County. Hastings has Minnesota's second oldest surviving county courthouse, finished in 1871, visible on the left as we come down the bridge. US-61 through Hastings is locally named Vermilion Street after the nearby river. Lock and Dam No. 2 at Hastings, part of the canal lock systems on the Mississippi that stretch from Minneapolis to St. Louis, was completed by the Army Corps of Engineers in 1930. Lock and Dam No. 2 is the site of the nation's first commercial, federally licensed hydrokinetic power facility, a partnership between the City of Hastings and Hydro Green Energy LLC of Westmont, Illinois. We conclude today's video as we leave the city of Hastings. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.